A little more. That's perfect. Socks are just so common. I prefer my feet to look and feel luxurious. Time to flaunt my wealth. Whoa. Sunny is so stylish. But I have my own version of gold socks. A girl can never have enough jewelry. That looks amazing. Ugh. Better get to class. Wow! That is so cool! Ow! Who put that locker there? Wait! Inspiration has struck! I can paint my feet! Who needs gold? Blue is just as good. Ah, the hypothermia look. Oh yeah, work it, girl! No! Stop! Wait for me! Oh, I missed the bus. What am I gonna do now?
Hey, something wrong? This looks like a job for your friendly neighborhood hobo. Need a ride?
Whoa!
Come on, jump in.
Is that a cardboard car?
Oh yeah, it's the latest model. This baby can really move. Hold on tight. Pretty fast, huh? Feel the wind in your hair.
This is amazing! Thanks! Wait, could I drive?
Be my guest.
This is so exciting! I've never driven before!
Oh, wait. What?
Vroom!
Slow down!
Look! We're here!
And in one piece, somehow.
Thanks again! I appreciate it!
Bye! Phew. Time to go grocery shopping. To the dumpster. Beep beep.
Oh, she's coming. Good morning, ma'am. Allow me to get the door.
No.
I don't understand.
I'm not riding in the car.
How about a skateboard?
Are you kidding me?
Rollerblades? Look at those wheels spin.
Ugh. Lame.
I'm all out of ideas. Unless we can use that.
That's more like it! Oh my gosh, this looks so much fun! Great idea! Check me out!
Oh no! Wait!
See ya! What a way to travel!
Well, at least I'm getting my daily cardio.
Hey, yes. Yes, it's really me. I feel so glamorous. Let's see what this can do. This is the best! Everyone's watching me. You're all my adoring fans and I love you all! That was so much fun. I'm definitely traveling like this again. I better get to class.
Whoa! Look at that! It's so futuristic! Aliens must have left it. And now it's mine! No more cardboard car! Gee, I feel so fancy.
Huh? What's all that noise?
Well, hello.
Ugh. Hobos have them? I'm so done with that. Let's get you looking good. Not that you need it. You say all the right things. Mornings are so stressful. You're telling me, but you just relax. Okay, I think that's everything. How would you like to travel today? How about this? Seriously? Ugh, no way. Okay, this looks nice. Oh, I know. Let me make a call. Hello? I need your help. Yes, right away. A helicopter? Perfect. This is more my style. You just got a pay raise. Bye. Sunny! Wait! You forgot your school bag! Aww. You can drop me over there. I really should move desks. Huh? What's that? It's the raptor! Save yourself! Relax. It's me. I like to make an entrance. Okay, you can go now. It's lucky I like the windswept look. So, what did I miss? Oh, thanks. Unbelievable. She's such a diva. Is it over? We seriously need to do something about the seating arrangements. Aw, my plant! Honey? Good. You're here. I have something for you. Mom? What's going on? I hope you like it. It's a ticket for the amusement park. No way! Wow, Mom! You deserve it, Sophia. I can't wait! Whoa! This is crazy! Okay, I need to ask, what's going on? You're scaring the other customers. It's fine! I have a ticket! Okay. Please. She's having fun. Come on, do me a favor. You've got 5 minutes. But don't throw up. Whee! What a day. It's the perfect weather for a horse ride. Hey girl, ready to do this? Don't move. Let's go. Nice and easy, girl. Just like we practiced. This is the best way to spend the day. It really lets me unwind. Whoa, girl. Where are the staff? You rang? Ah! You're having a break! All that horse riding must be hungry work. I have your refreshments right here. Oops. I hope she didn't notice. Here you go, ma'am. Finally. What should I have? I'll take the soda. Now go. You're scaring the horse. Certainly, ma'am. Does it get any better than this? I should get some action shots. On it, ma'am! You look amazing! I'll make sure to get your good side. What? Every side is my good side. I've been working on these poses. I can tell. So beautiful! Try hugging the horse. You were a natural. Okay, that's enough. Let's pose them. Great. The paparazzi. They never leave me alone. Can't a girl just go into space like any normal person? It's so annoying. I'm so glad Daddy bought me this new rocket. The last one was so old-fashioned. It didn't even have a spa. So, how do you drive this thing? Whoa, this is so cool. It's so still and peaceful. Time for some fun! Woohoo! Uh-oh. How do you stop? I'm starting to get the hang of this. It's good to have some me time. I can even work on my dance moves. Whoa! I'm starting to get dizzy. And I love it! I could do this all day. Selfie time. My besties will be so jealous. I should get a pet alien. Oh, I have an idea. This is the best way to brush your teeth. My dentist would be so proud. And the dragon raised up his head and let out an almighty roar. Huh? Where's the rest? Mom? Why'd you stop reading? Keep going. Sorry, sweetie. I read both sides. But I need my bedtime story! It's not fair! There must be something I can do. But what? Wait a minute. I have an idea. I'll start by drawing love hearts on my finger. Then add a nose and a nice big smile. I'll fill in the hearts. These are the eyes. Now I need to draw a second face on my other finger. Who needs a book? I can create my own story. I think I'm ready. It's showtime! Ahem. Sophia! Huh? Mom? Hello. I'm a handsome prince. Wow! It's like being at the theater! I love a good romance story. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Is she asleep? It worked! My first ever stage production was a success. I better let her sleep. Uh-oh. Please don't wake up. Huh? What was that? Almost there. Oh, come on. Time for bed. Let me tuck you in. Ready for your bedtime story? Romeo, oh Romeo, wherefore art thou?
Sup, baby?
Wow, it's wonderful! I wish my husband was that romantic. This is so boring! Where's the action? Boo! What was that?
This has never happened before.
She likes action movies!
Oh, okay. You got it. Wow, tough audience. Let's get this over with. Take that!
Go on! What do you think, Annie? This is the worst thing I've seen.
Boo! Seriously? I'm classically trained!
How about a musical? Put some effort into it. Okay, here goes.
Cha-cha-cha-la-la-la-la!
Well, it's putting me to sleep. Through boredom. Hey, I'll take it. Hey, that's a wrap! Your awful acting sent her to sleep!
Thanks. I think. I need to talk to my agent.
I'll give you a little extra for the trouble. You earned it!
Cha-ching! Pleasure doing business with ya. See ya.
I can't sleep. I just can't get comfortable. And the moon's so bright. I'm so tired. This is so frustrating. There must be something I can do. I better get some help. From a nerd.
Hello? Sunny? Really? No, it's no problem. Okay. Now it's my time to shine. Luckily, I have a program just for the situation. All the other nerds laughed, but who's laughing now? I need to move the satellite. The government's gonna be so mad. I mean, it's for Sunny. They'll understand. And now the moon is in darkness.
That's much better. I'll be able to get to sleep now. Sweet dreams at last.
Too easy. Make it a challenge next time. Time to dream of Sunny. We'd make a great couple.
School is so boring. I'll do some online shopping. Oh wow, so cute. Sunny's obviously talking about me. I do look cute. I'm glad I found this cardboard in the dumpster. I don't have any notebooks.
Annie. My heart flutters anytime you're near. Take this as a token of my love. Mwah!
Oh. Wow! A gold poppet. Cool. Wait. Look at this. It's huge. I love it. Whoa. She's so lucky. Boys never bring me gifts. That's what impresses you? Please. It's so basic. I'll show you a real poppet. Prepare to be amazed. Well, what do you think? Are those diamonds?
Oh my god.
It's amazing! You've gotta be kidding me! I only want the best. It was made especially for me. That's unbelievable! I've got an idea. I need my old chewing gum. It's still full of flavor. Delicious! Now to blow a bubble. I can't let it burst. So far so good. I'll stick it to the cardboard. I'm gonna need a lot more bubbles. You know, this is fun. That should do it. My very own poppet. It's great! Wow, Dolly. Your hair is amazing. You're so beautiful. Hang on. Say hello to the latest in doll technology. The highly interactive AI means you'll have a friend for life. You're old news, Dolly. Daddy, I want that. Please. Thanks, Daddy. This is gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it. Whoa! It's even better than I imagined! Activating startup procedure. Hello. I'm RoboDoll 3000. Wow! This is so cool! Come on, let's play! Look at this lovely hair! My hair is made from a synthetic polymer. Uh-oh. That's not good. Luckily, you're a robot and have no emotions. Come on! Try and catch me! But you gotta be quick! Chase and capture protocol initiated. Cannot move. Calculating alternative route. Mayday! I'm almost done. Wow, you look fabulous! If you say so. What do you think? This outfit's cute. What else? Oh, we need this. We'll definitely wear this. Excellent choice. Whoa! Let's do this! That's it. Just copy me. Brush it off. Nice, RoboDoll. The robot. Old school. Look at all the likes. Feeling lucky. I was born lucky. Wow, this is tense. Steady, show no fear. Phew. Aw, bless. Check this out. It's too easy. You're up. I'm starting to feel the pressure. Is it getting hot in here? I can do this. One swift movement. Here goes. No! Better luck next time, loser. It was an accident. You know the rules. No, anything but that. Hand it over. But it's all I've got. Time to make some changes around here. I'm in charge. No more homework. Now what? I thought this would be more fun. Oh, I know. Hello? I need you in my office. Yes, right now. Yes? It's about the test. I got an F. Change it. Or you're fired. Of course. It must be a mistake. You got an A. Being principal has its advantages. I could get used to this.
Hey, Sophia! Something smells around here. Don't look at me! I was in the washing machine yesterday! It must be Sophia!
Do you mind? Play nice.
Aw, a beautiful flower.
Thanks.
I'm sorry.
Mwah.
Ugh.
Gross. Stop it. Sophia? What are you doing? Nothing, Mom. Pretend you didn't see that. Awkward. Kids today. Luckily, I have my own sock puppet. So, what are we playing? Look what I have.
Candy!
Gimme! It doesn't matter if you're broke, rich, or giga rich. The main thing is you're happy. But if you were giga rich, what would be the first thing you buy? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos just like this one.